What's up, y'all? Wil Reynolds here for another Wasteful Wednesday. And this miércoles, we're going to talk about Spanish words, okay? We're going to show you some examples of common Spanish words that we've seen trickle in a little bit here or there on different types of accounts. And while I have not seen wild amounts of wasted spend, my job in these series is to show you examples of things that you should probably go negate so that you don't give Google more money. So let me just go ahead and show you, because it's probably happening to a few of you. So let's go. All right, ¿Cómo subir una página web a un hosting? None of these ads are in Spanish. If you're going to advertise, at least advertise in Spanish. And Microsoft, you know I love you guys. I'm a Power BI guy to the death. You guys have the ability to scan for language using your API, your Bing API, or your search API, I believe. So you could run all your search terms through your own API and have it identify if it's in another language so you can get rid of that spend or maybe build those pages. Come on, y'all, use your own shit. All right. KS robotic simple prospectotomy, whatever it is, right? Boom, there it is. Ad, not in Spanish. And I'm not saying this is a waste. I'm not saying it is completely wasteful. What I am saying is it's hard to justify bidding on a word in Spanish and not building a Spanish landing page. But I did find this one around eyeglasses, páginas de espejuelos. And there's an ad right here for somebody looking for eyeglasses. All right, so today's Wasteful Wednesday is a simple one. Don't bid for keywords in another language and find ways to find them and get rid of them so that you can invest those dollars in either higher value opportunities, or maybe you can build a landing page, maybe with a Spanish language chat feature or something that would better serve those customers who are doing a little Spanglish in their search queries, okay? You all have a wonderful Wednesday. I hope you're doing well. Remember that there's a link here to use our free tool. You upload your data. We spit out a bunch of the waste in your accounts. We've already saved people over $1 million for free. You can thank me later. And if you have hypotheses, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'd love to have more of these to run through. And when we run them through our millions and millions and millions of words, if we find something that can help other people, ain't that the right thing to do? Help your fellow man and woman. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Take care.